Hi there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can transfer domain from Namecheap to Hostinger. So what you will do is go to your Namecheap and then log in with your account, and then you will go to account and you will see domain list. So go ahead and click that. And once you're here, you must make sure that you already have your domains so that you will be able to transfer it, and then you will be able to see the manage feature here. So once you have your domain, what you will have to do is click manage, and then after that you will just have to scroll down to sharing and transfer, and then you will click transfer out. Then you will unlock your domain by toggling the domain lock off, and then you will make sure that the domain is not within the 60-day registration period, as it can't be transferred during that time. Next, you will copy the EPP and oath code that you will need in Hostinger, and then you will log into your Hostinger account, and then you will go to domains, which is right here, and then you will click transfers domain, and then you will enter here your domain name and the EPP code. And finally, you will just have to follow the Hostinger's prompts to complete the transfer. Then you will receive email confirmations from both Namecheap and Hostinger. Double check that DNS settings are correct after the transfer. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.